Hello everyone, today we will compare Verizon 5G Home Internet and Fios Home Internet, two of Verizon's internet service options. So Verizon 5G Home Internet uses cutting-edge 5G technology to deliver high-speed wireless internet, offering a quick setup with no data caps, making it a flexible option for modern households. While Fios Home Internet is Verizon's fiber optic service, known for its reliable and ultra-fast speeds, ideal for users who need consistent and robust internet performance, especially for streaming, gaming, and large households. So, in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Verizon 5G Home Internet and PS Home Internet, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's talk about the features comparison. So when we talk about technology, version 5G offers 5G wireless network while version Fios offers fiber optic network, as I said earlier. And when we talk about speed, version 5G offers up to 300 Mbps up to 1 Gbps in some areas, while version Fios offers up to 940 Mbps with gigabit plan and highly consistent speeds. When we talk about installation, version 5G only have self-installation, plug and play, while version Fios Home Internet, since it is a fiber, it requires professional installation. So when we talk about coverage, so version 5G is only limited to areas with 5G availability, while version Fios is available in only in select regions, mostly in the Northeast US. And when it comes to equipment, so version 5G offers a 5G gateway, while version Fios offers their router and with options to purchase or you can also rent them. So that's it. So when it comes to data caps, as I said, both platforms have no data caps since they are both Verizon. And when it comes to contracts, version 5G and version Fios have no long-term contracts. But with version Fios, they have a lower pricing with contracts. And lastly, for additional perks, version 5G have discounts for version mobile customers, while version Fios offers access to Fios TV and phone bundling options. So that's it for the features comparison. Now let's go to the pricing. And when it comes to monthly cost, version 5G home internet offers $50 per month with autopay, $70 without. And for version Fios home internet, their monthly cost is starting from $40 to $90 per month depending on the speed tier. So when it comes to equipment fees, so version 5G home internet, their equipment fees is already included in the monthly cost, while version Fios requires $15 per month for router rental, or you can purchase it for $300. So that's it. So when it comes to installation fees, version 5D is free with self-installation kit, while version Fios home internet, they have it for $100 and you can waive it with certain promotions. And when we talk about promotions, so 5G version 5G have discounts with version mobile plans, while version Fios have discounts with contracts or bundling service. So that's it for the simple pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to another section, which is the performance. So when it comes to download speeds, version 5Gs, as I said earlier, typically up to 300 Mbps, up to 1 Gbps in some areas, while version Fios, it's up to 940 Mbps on the gigabit plan, consistent speeds. And when it comes to upload speeds, version 5G offers up to 50 Mbps, while version Fios offers up to 880 Mbps on the gigabit plan. It's quite a lot. And when it comes to latency, version 5G have lower latency, suitable for gaming and video calls, while version Fios, they have ultra low latency, ideal for real-time applications. And when it comes to reliability, version 5G can be affected by network congestions or weather. And when it comes to version Fios, extremely reliable, not affected by external conditions. So that's it for the performance comparison. So now let's go directly to the customer support. And when they talk about 24/7 support, version 5G and version Fios offers 24/7 support available via phone and online chat. When it comes to self-help resources, version 5G have comprehensive online help center, same thing with version Fios. And when it comes to professional installation, version 5G not required, and version Fios it is required since it's a fiber optic network. And lastly, for customer satisfaction, version 5G is generally positive with some compliance about coverage, while version Fios have higher customer satisfactions due to reliability and performance. So that's it for the customer support. Now we're done with the features, pricing, performance, and customer support comparison. So now let's go directly to pros and cons, and let's start by discussing version 5G pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, version 5G is no need for traditional cables or fiber lines, offering flexibility in setup. They have competitive pricing with no data caps, making it ideal for heavy internet users. They have easy self-installation process without requiring a technician, and they have a discounts available for existing version mobile customers. So that's it for the pros. And when it comes to cons, version 5G coverage is limited to areas with 5G availability, which might not be widespread. Their performance can vary depending on network congestions and external factors like weather. And lastly, the upload speeds are generally lower compared to wired connections like fiber. So that's it for the version 5G cons. And now let's talk about version Fios pros and cons. And when it comes to pros, version Fios is extremely fast and reliable fiber optic speeds, ideal for streaming, gaming, and working from home. They have consistent performance even during peak usage times with low latency. Also, they have no data caps, allowing for unlimited internet usage. And lastly, they offers bundling options with Fios TV and phone services for added savings. So that's it for the pros. And when it comes to cons, version Fios availability is limited to specific regions, primarily in the Northeast US, and also a professional installation typically required, which can involve a fee. And lastly, their equipment rental fees can add up to the overall cost if you don't purchase the router. So yes, that's it for the version Fios pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's talk about which platform is the best for you. And let's start that by discussing who should choose version 5G. So version 5G is preferable for someone who lives in an area with a strong 5G coverage and wants the flexibility of a wireless home internet connection. And also someone who prefers to avoid data caps and doesn't want to commit to a long-term contract. Someone who is looking for a simple, hassle-free installation process without the need for professional setup. And lastly, someone who already uses Verizon mobile services and wants to take advantage of bundle discounts. So if you have all of this quality, version 5G is the choice for you. And for the people who should choose version Fios is preferable for someone who requires ultra-fast and reliable internet speeds, particularly for activities like online gaming, streaming in 4K, or remote work. Someone who lives in an area where Fios is available and wants the most consistent and stable internet connection. Someone who values the options to bundle internet with TV and phone services for additional convenience and savings. And lastly, someone who is comfortable with or prefers the professional installation process to ensure optimal setup and performance. So if you have all of this quality, version Fios is for you. And yes, that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms offer strong options depending on your needs. Version 5G home internet is great choice if you're looking for a flexible, wireless solution without data caps, especially if you live in an area with strong 5G coverage. On the other hand, if you prioritize consistent, ultra-fast speeds and reliable performance, version Fios home internet is the better option, particularly if you're in a Fios service area. So consider your specific requirements, location, and usage habits when making your decision. If this comparison helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparison. So let us know in the comments which service you prefer or if you have any questions. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this comparison helps you to choose the correct option. Also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.